Honeybees, I hope you have a great day. I'm putting it into the universe this morning, and I hope you got everything that you wanted to do done last week and getting ready for this week with a bang. So this morning or this day in my life is literally just a continuation of my self-care journey at the Airbnb. If you haven't seen part 1, it's linked in the description and you can check it out and come back. So I started with making some tea. Of course, you have to bust the gas in real Jamaican fashion, and then I wanted to actually make some chicken alfredo. So I'm gonna go into the room and just look up the recipe on how to do that. I mean, it's the first time I'm making it, so I literally had to look it up, make sure that I had all the ingredients, and ensure that I just took my time, because I think that we can't really mess up pasta, can we? But I'm gonna hope for the best. I don't really like cooking when I'm at Airbnbs. I just like buying food, and can you wrong me? Like, most times they don't really give us the utensils that we need, and I am a chef in the kitchen when it comes to ensuring that my food is well spiced. You can see that I got the Alfredo in the bottle, the sauce in a bottle, because I wanted to just do something very minimal. So the pasta came out well. I really enjoyed it. I never thought that it would have literally messed up the pasta. I just thought that the pots and pans and all the utensils that were limited in the Airbnb would have literally made it harder for me to cook, and that's why I did minimal seasoning. I did minimal everything, because I just don't want to be disappointed. Everyone knows that you are your worst critic, but honestly, it was really good.